Whether it's residential, commercial, industrial, utility scale, or community solar systems, developers throughout Illinois are integrating renewable energy systems into a variety of businesses and construction developments, and this demand is growing every day.
The racking systems have to be installed properly, whether they're out in a cornfield like this one is, or if it's on like a Home Depot.
The Chicago Regional Council of Carpenters are the skilled energy professionals in building and installing sustainable, precision-built structures, adding value to all the stages of construction.
All of the actual specifications as far as the variances are small enough where it really should be carpenter's work.
Not only do they understand the basic concepts when they first get out onto the field, but they're able to look for key advantages that we might be able to implement to install them faster and better.
From solar arrays to wind turbine developments, the Chicago Regional Council of Carpenters provides a professional, skilled local workforce to build these renewable energy developments throughout Illinois, providing the highest quality and safety standards in the industry. Insist on the best in delivering your project needs, on time and within budget.